Well, good morning. Got a little sawdust on my my coffee here. So I'm getting ready to make my first ever cutting board. Now you'd think that's where some people would start, cutting boards. Well, not me. Just now getting into it, and it was a request from one of my friends. Okay, she really didn't request. She sent me a picture. She said, "Hey, look at this." Unfortunately, the way my brain works, to me, that's a request. So I'm going to get right on it. I needed to buy another piece of equipment. It's pricey, okay? So I did my due diligence, and I looked at all the different planers. I wound up buying the DeWalt 735. No surprise, most people do buy this. Most people that can afford it buy this. Now, that puts you in kind of the middle range. There are less expensive ones, and there's a lot more expensive ones. But this one here seems to be pretty darn popular. So, I had never used one before. My concern was I already make a huge enough mess. So the question is, does a planer need specifically a DeWalt 735, do they need a dust collection system? So let's gather some data. So first thing I'm going to do, spoiler alert, I bought one. It's over there. But we'll get into that in a minute. But first, I want to show you how much dust and chips this particular planer makes. Now, they're all going to make the same amount, okay? Because if you're taking a 32nd of an inch off a piece of wood, guess what? That's the same amount of wood. Doesn't matter which planer you're using. So, first things first, I want to show you how much stuff comes out of this. Now, what I've got is I've got a 1x2, just a scrap I had laying around. I checked it pretty good, and there are no nails in it. That's a priority. Okay, so it's ready to go. I'm going to move the camera over, and I'm going to show you the output. Now, what I've put on this is I have put just some scrap I had laying around here, an elbow, just to get it so I could hook up my dust collection system, which I'm going to get into in a minute. Okay, so let me move you. I'll run a board through it, and then I'll let you judge as to whether or not you need a dust collection system for your planer. 1 minute, let me get things moved around. Okay, I'm just going to run this 1x2 through, and I'm going to take 1/32 of an inch off of it. It's loud. Okay, and let me show you the mess it made in my shop. So I've got it, it's all over. Okay, my shop's a mess anyway, so we're not looking at the clutter, we're looking at the sawdust. All this sawdust here, this is all new. Okay, so in my opinion, do you need a dust collection system for a planer? Yes, you've got to get one. Now, the next question is, for this particular planer, do you need a $500, which is what this would cost new? Spoiler, I paid $120 for it on Marketplace. And in my opinion, go to Marketplace. These things, this is a DC 650. These things are $250 at most, okay? I got this one for $120. He was motivated to sell. So let me get it hooked up, and I want to show you why you really don't need this level. There are guys on YouTube that have these that are just hooked up to a bag over here. And while that doesn't work for all planers, it'll work for this one. Let me get it hooked up, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I've got my planer hooked up, and they're literally just stuck together right there. I don't even have them clamped. There's a clamp there, it's not tight. I've got it in through the DC 650, and I want to show you, well, because it's so loud, I'm going to go through the whole thing. and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you. I'll give you my opinion. So here we go. Okay, there you go. The best thing about the DeWalt planer is it has a blower in there, and it'll blow all the stuff into here, and it'll do everything this dust collection system was designed to do on its own. So when you see guys on YouTube and they've just got like a bag over here, that actually works. So in my opinion, if you have a planer, do you need a dust collection system? Yes, you do. Do you need to drop $500, or in my case, $120, for a fancy dust collection system? Not when you have the DeWalt. The blower in there, you just got to have a bag that it can blow it into. Is the setup perfect? Nope. But we made progress. Thanks for watching.